Good morning, grade 5s. Today we're starting with fractions again, and this time we're going to be looking at how to find a part out of a whole. So in front of you on this page, there are some blocks. Now that is my bar of chocolate. It has been cut into 24 pieces. Now, if there are two children who want to share this block of chocolate, how do they go about it? What fraction of the slab of chocolate does each child get? Well, you will notice that I've coloured the top row of blocks green and the bottom row are white. If I were to break this chocolate bar in half, the top row would be half a slab and the bottom row would be half of the slab. They would have an equal amount of chocolate each. So what fraction does each child get? Each child gets a half of the slab. How many blocks of chocolate does each child get? So we've said what fraction does each child get. Now I want to know how many blocks of chocolate each child gets. Well, if one child gets all the green blocks, there are 12 blocks. So if one child has half a slab of chocolate, in their half a slab, there are 12 blocks of chocolate. Be careful to read questions carefully. Are they asking for a fraction or are they asking for a number? How many blocks? Lastly, when we look at this slab of chocolate, I want to complete this number sentence. Half of 24. What is half of 24? Well, if you look back at the block of chocolate, there are 24 small blocks. How many blocks are in half a slab? There are 12. We worked it out already. Okay, there is a short way of doing this. We could take 24 and divide it by 2, because 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now in the exercise that you are about to do, they are going to ask you very similar questions to the one I have done now.